Alright chat, welcome to a new video. This is going to be a short video. We finally finished version 5 of the Vibe Club Office, and I would like to explain how it works to you guys, because tomorrow we will be having a 12-hour stream. A lot of people will be joining the Hackathon Office, and I just want to give you guys a quick rundown on how to use it. So basically, first thing you do is you go to $vibeclub.com and you log in or you create an account. Google and Discord should work. Vibe Club will be free forever. And right now we've got 2 campaigns going on. We've got a hackathon that will be tomorrow, 12 hours vibe coding with about 40 to 45 people. And we will have the daily spinny wheel chat. That means I'm giving away a Claude subscription every single day on stream. Basically, once you log in chat, you'll come onto your dashboard. What you're looking at right now is my dashboard. You can collapse the menus on the side so that the room gets a bit bigger. And right now you can only enter the hackathon. The hackathon will be the room that we are using tomorrow. Every vibe coder will have his seat predefined. So all you have to do, if you've already applied and your application was accepted, you can come in when the hackathon starts. And once you come in, you can share your camera, this button. You can share your microphone, this button. And you can share your screen. The moment you start sharing your screen, you will be live. That means I will come here and I will basically look at 42 different people that are vibe coding. The idea of this event is to find out who the best of the best vibe coders are, obviously. And the second idea is that we as the viewer can learn while we're watching 42 vibe coders at the same time. I'm telling you chat, there is no one person that can teach you vibe coding right now. AI is too new to define it to one person, to one workflow, to one agent. It's not. You gotta broaden the horizon. And that's what we're doing with the Vibe Club. As a user, if you are not subscribed in the hackathon, you will be able to come to this room and you will be able to walk around in the designated viewer area. You will be able to support your favorite hacker or favorite vibe coder. For the viewers will have the option. Give me one moment. Yeah, the viewers will have the option to vote. Once the vibe coders start submitting their projects on stream, you as a viewer can vote 1 star or 5 star, you choose. The competitors, you will have 3 ideas to choose from. More info on the ideas will be launched the moment the hackathon starts. You keep vibe coding, and once you're done, you submit the hackathon project. Then your submission counts, and the winners will be announced maybe the day off or maybe even the next day, chat. So I hope you all stop by the office tomorrow, whether it be to support your fellow vibe coders or whether it be to create your own and take home the first prize. Maybe I should tell the stream as well. Chat, don't forget we've got a lot of prizes going on. You can go to the URL pinned in the description of this video and everybody can compete. We are also gifting, thank you Replit for being super generous. We are also gifting Claude Core subscriptions for free. So if you don't have any vibe coding tools and you just want to get into it, this is a great time to start. Go to all the details, check the links in the description chat. And I want to end the video with something that I say on the stream daily. And chat, that is just keep a good mindset, peace on the streets, no fucking fighting, and keep vibe coding.